Hi students, today we are going to look at the Unit 4 Information Processing of First Standard Mathematics. Okay, what are the key words here? Information, data, list, organize, group, collect. Okay, travel through colorful fishes. Okay, these are the colorful fishes. Okay, learn, count the number of fishes of each kind in the tank and color them below. Okay, how many of these kind of fish? One, two, three, four. Four fishes are there. Okay, one, two, three, four only. Okay, about this color, one, two, three only. This color, one, two, three. Okay, this type, one, two, three. What about this type? Only two. Okay, sorry, this fish have one, two, three, four. These are 4 and these fishes are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And what about these fishes? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Right. You need to color them according to the number. Okay. If there are 4, color only 4. If there are 5, color all 5 like that. Learn. Come and come. Let us play. Answer the following from the picture. Number of children playing 7 shots. Only 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, number of electric posts, only one. Okay, number of children sitting under the tree, two. One and two. Number of crows, one, two, three, four. Right, four. If all the children join together in the train game, then how many will be there in the game? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Okay, 9 members. Tell the other games that you play. That you have to tell. Practice birthday celebration. Look at the picture, count and write. Girls 2 numbers, boys 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. Gifts. See the gifts, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 gifts. So you need to write 4 here. Okay. Well, increase the font size. No, don't worry. Tick, tick. Okay. Right. What are these glasses? Only one glass. No other glasses can be seen here. Okay, one. This kind of thing, okay, is only one. That is also one. What about balloons? Balloons, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. So balloons hold. Oh, where it went? Here, 8. Is that correct? Yes. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 balloons. Oh, flowers, flower vase, 1, 2. Okay, there are 2 flower vases. Candles, 1, 2, 3. On the cake you can see 3 candles. Okay, what we did, we just counted and wrote. Organizing information, know your relatives, relationship, brother. Okay, number of relatives, how many brothers you have, that you have to write. Sister, how many sisters you have, how many grandfathers you have, how many grandmothers you have, how many uncles you have, how many aunts you have. Activity, means of transport, divide this class into. Okay, how do they come to school? This denoting number of students. Okay, that you have to do on your own. Answer the following based on the data collected. How do you come to school? Ticket. If you are coming by bicycle, tick this. Okay, by school bus, tick this. By auto, tick this. How many friends in your group come to school by walk? That you have to write. Total number of members in your group, that also you have to pay. The transport is used most in your group, that also you need to calculate. Or tick the means of transport which is used least in your group, maybe walking. Walking. Yes, unit 4 is completed. Okay, we'll meet in the next session with the next class. Okay, Nandri, Vanakkam. Are you tired of dental problems? Then listen to this. Stop brushing your teeth using plastic brush and chemical paste. Use nature's gifted neem stick for brushing your teeth and stay healthy.